The last one still running is the winner.
Once we'd climbed aboard our race-modified RVs, we were ready for the off.
This is a stupid idea. I disapprove. It's needlessly destructive, and I really like my little truck.
Here's my start line strategy. Mike goes green, hard right, hit James. I want him to be a bonnet emblem by the time I get to the first corner.
He doesn't realise that the window's fallen out of his RV and I can hear everything he's saying.
Let's get this over with, shall we? That's one done.
Obviously, I'm not driving on the roof. I think that would be unwise.
Closing up on the lavatory. Here it goes.
Oh, he hit me hard there. Turning right. Oh! Ho, ho, ho.
Got it.
I've been hit again! Bastard!
Meanwhile, in Hammond's truck, there'd been a bit of a mood swing.
I can't change my mind. This is really good fun. I have got the toughest vehicle here. I'm sure of that. Ah, oh, ow, ow. Have a little go at Jeremy. Oh, my lights have come off. Oh, the door was shut on me really badly. I can't see over my bonnet.
Hammond's bonnet is completely off.
However, the Mad Max makeover made his truck even more of a lethal weapon.
In we go.
Whoa, that's brutal. Oh, the door! Oh!
I've been hit. But I've been hit again. I'm in a sandwich of Americans.
It was at this point I noticed something about one of those Americans.
Wait a minute. It's that guy. He's the one that's been following us. What's he doing? Oh no, I'm being pushed. We are being annihilated by the two remaining Americans.
As the contest heated up, I decided to pick on the biggest RV.
You want demolition? Have some. Ah! Oh! Oh, oh. Oh, hello. I'm leaking. Oh, no. Oh, no. I'm leaking fluid.
Following hit after brutal hit, my opponent eventually conked out. But the battle had left me badly wounded.
Oh, this is not going well for my little truck. I think my engine might be suffering. Ah! Oh, wall! Oh, that's gone badly wrong for me. I think I've lost the wheel now. I'm in a bad way. I've lost steering. Ah!
Hammond is history.
Now only 3 of us remained.
Come on. Hit James. Ramming speed.
bastard!
He's in the wall! He's in the wall and toast! It's just me and this weird man. Get you, you bastard! Whoa! Get him! I'm taking him! Oh, Lord! Going in hard and hot! Oh, yes! The mighty RV boat is victorious. Nothing else running. Oh, yeah.
Well done. It's a glorious victory, really.
It is.
It's-
And I think we've proved that if you must have an RV, it has to be a Chevrolet Pace Arrow.
Yes,
Yep,
yes,
it does.
yes, good. Congratulations, very well done. Meanwhile...
What?
Well, we've got to make camp for tonight in these, so I would suggest just over there.
I think that's an excellent
It's
idea,
all
as
they'll
close
manage.
as possible.
Yes.
You can come to your pub.
Well, you're not expecting a drink, are you?
Why not?
Pub's been demolished.
Was it?
Yeah.
Oh, of course,
Does
it went into a wall.
Yeah, happens a lot these days.
Ooh, I
What?
nearly forgot. You know that guy that's been following us around since we got here?
No,
He's the one in the race overalls.
no,
You've still not seen him?
never seen him.
Well, you have, because he was driving that.
Was he?
Yes, I put him on. He's dead now.
Good, good.
And now he won't be following us
Well,
anymore because I've
good. Well,
rolled him
you
over.
can tell us all about it over a glass of water this evening.
With our race with the devil over, we fell asleep quickly that night, happy in the knowledge that the horror of our RV holiday was finally over.